We were learning about compound subjects, and today we're going to learn about compound predicates. In the learn part, a compound predicate has two or more simple predicates that share the same subject. The predicates are joined by the coordinating conjunction and or. So for this sentence, many Americans read and write emails on computers. Another one, we is the subject, use or interact with computers in many ways. For more information, if two related sentences have the same subject, you can combine the sentences by joining the predicates with the coordinating conjunction and or. The new sentence will have a compound predicate. So, for example, students research information online. Students download information online. You can combine those to say students research and download information online. Another example, shoppers browse online. Shoppers order merchandise online. So you have shoppers as your subject. Shoppers browse or order merchandise online. All right, let's go down to the practice now. Okay. Says for each sentence below has a compound predicate. Only one of these simple predicates in the compound predicate is underlined. Write the other simple predicate on the line. The first one is done for you. So for this one, computers change and improve our lives. Look at the next one. In classrooms, computers teach or review skills. So in looking at that, you are going to also write teach on the line. Teach is the answer. Next, Emilio studies and writes on his computer. So writes is the other predicate that you're looking for. And I'll do one more. Many people chat or listen to music online. People chat or listen. And you can easily finish up the rest 5 through 8. Go ahead and finish those up. You can stop the video and go to Notability, or you can listen to the video all through. We are going to go to the next page now. Going to minimize this one, and we're on our second page. 9 and 10 are the exact same directions as when you had 1 through 8. So once again, you are looking for the compound predicate in stores, computers, complete, and record sales. You can write that on the line. Okay, so now we're looking at the second part, which is section B. In each sentence, underline the simple predicates in the compound predicate. Then write the conjunction that joins the simple predicates. We did this very similar activity when we were doing the subjects, the compound subjects. We were underlining the compound subjects, the simple subjects, and then you're putting the conjunction on the line. So let's do one together. Many people buy or rent computer games. What you're going to have on the line is the or, because that is your conjunction. Our class visited and toured a computer game company. So visited and toured are your predicates, and is your conjunction. We met and talked with the workers, and is your conjunction. When you're looking for your predicate, you're also looking for, usually it is the verb. What is the subject doing? Well, the subject met, we met, or the subject we talked. So a lot of times you're going to see that the predicate starts right after, most of the time right after the subject, and you are looking at a verb, what the subject is actually doing. Continue working on, and I look forward to seeing your answers.